So we've added a couple of new view options to Shōgun. We've got this kind of pre-selection hover here, which will show you what you're about to click on, and then likewise when you click on something here, when there's multiple objects selected in the background, it will give you a little pickup saying what you want to select. So let me find one here, for example. So here it can see the clav marker, but it can also see the upper arm marker underneath. So this was designed to kind of let you choose which object you want to select without having to go into your selection filters and turn certain things on and off. But we appreciate maybe some people found that frustrating, so we've added a couple of options here. So if we go into Preferences and go to Interface, we can turn off pre-selection, which is the hover, and we can also turn off the marker pick or the object picking menu. So now when I go back, it will only select the object that's right in front of the cursor, and likewise we're not getting any pre-selection hover.